Linda wanted me to open this box.
The unboxing.
The unboxing video.
What are we unboxing?
So hey you guys, we got a new tool. It's for cleaning parts. Of course I've seen this on John's Arcade. World According to John. Oh. And my phone's ringing. Hang on a second.
Could be very important.
It is. That was Al. He was fixing my computer. I had to take that call. So here we are. We have the Quick and Easy Case Tumbler. This is for cleaning all these little parts. And we use the weird thing of crushed walnuts.
Also known as cat litter.
Also known as cat litter, lizard, bedding. Buy it in the pet store.
Does that hurt the animal though? Like it's...
Of course it does, yeah. That's why you would use it on your pets.
Do you think that'd be uncomfortable to lie on or sit on?
It'd kind of be uncomfortable, sharp little
This
walnut
was a
shells.
line in your
But it's
litter.
crushed, come on.
Well,
Linda's being silly.
There's a lizard.
But we'll get this together on camera. But this goes like that. Vibrates.
What?
This bucket will vibrate. We have some hecklers in the crowd. put our media, which is this. Oh, this actually does say cat litter. Crushed walnuts. Crushed walnuts. There's a cat on there. Naturally fresh. It's litter for cats. But it is walnuts. That going in here, along with our parts. I'll bring my parts over. That was a room for a joke there, Linda. I'll bring my parts over.
Are you moving your parts to the table?
I'll put my parts on the table. Here's these. Here's some brackets.
Your parts look rusty, Jeff.
Wow.
Are you happy?
No, I've been using them.
Not rusty.
I've been using them. My wife says they're well used. But the Galaga machine parts are rusty.
Oh.
Lighting. So we're going to throw all this in the bucket. We got screws, we got everything, along with the litter. Vibrates, and after a couple days it'll all be clean.
I want to see that vibrator in action.
Okay, hang on. We're going to get it together.
I am not.
This is not being aired, this video. Okay, we're back. We got the machine built. The Quick and Easy Case Tumbler. We're going to add the walnuts so we can clean our parts.
Should you put the parts in first?
Got it. No, fine.
Where are your parts?
Are you, geez, I'm getting heckled, I'm getting instructed over my shoulder here. You guys at least be on camera. They could show who I'm talking to.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I guess they do want to be on camera. Say hello. Yes, that is the heckling crowd. Okay. We have the bracket for the wheels. Another bracket. Throw everything there. Rings, screws, everything that's rusty. These bottom leg levelers actually still have pieces of rotten wood on them. Throw that in there.
How much can you put in there?
We will have to, I don't know. We will see how big a parts we can put in there.
Is that all of your parts in there?
No, that's just, the fun never stops. Screws in there. Let's chuck them all in there. So I had to travel a couple hours to pick this machine up. They wouldn't send it to Canada for some reason. I don't know. Dangerous, I guess. Some kind.
Well, it is a massive vibrator.
A massive vibrator is banned in Canada. We're all good little people here.
Our parts don't get rusty in Canada.
Parts don't get rusty.
We don't need those things. Yeah, isn't that machine an import?
That's an import.
Yeah.
Actually, you can buy it here.
No, I meant like the whole thing.
Actually, the whole thing is, yes, this is definitely an American machine. All across the board. Even everything I ordered from Amazon. Everything's coming from the U.S. Okay, everybody's waiting in
We can't wait to see you turn that on.
Okay. Turn on what?
Carefully. Turn on the machine, Jeff.
Wow. Okay. Can you hand me that cord, Linda?
Yeah.
Throw one more part in here. It's hanging off. No, it's
Oh.
hanging off the
Okay.
tripod,
Yeah.
actually. Just don't hit the camera with the tripod with it. Okay. We're almost ready. These pieces won't go in there. Okay.
Does that anchor itself at all?
No, I have to put up, it'll vibrate off the table. If I don't, I'll just put it on the floor, but here we go. Oh, there we go.
Smooth.
Calm down.
It's churning in there?
Just churning, it's just churning. I'll move the camera so everybody can see it churning.
Oh, that's so cool. What else can you put in there?
Earrings, jewelry, any kind. It's just rotating. All the smaller shells, you're rubbing on the metal parts, cleaning them. Set that up.
How long does that take?
Set up for a couple days, I think.
You run it for 2 days.
2 days, probably, yeah.
You don't need that.
Oh, really?
I don't think we don't want to run it for 2 days. I don't mind as long as you're here supervising it. I mean, you're not going to re-rust yourself if you turn it off during the night.
It'll be fine. Alright. Set that noisy thing off for now. There we go. Oh, look, I'm getting. Here's from the crowd.
Standing out.
Standing out. Alright. Thanks, gang. We'll be back. See you soon. This is another video, phone video of the part cleaning tool that I had picked up today.
Part cleaning? What parts are you going to clean, Jeff?
Some of my rusty parts. Green says that these are the only rusty parts I have. That are from the video from the Galaga machine.
Well, everything
We have a crowd in the garage tonight. To unveil the quick and easy case tumbler.
Oh, quick and easy.
Quick and I have all these metal parts, except those, in the case tumbler, and we're going to turn it on. This is how we're going to clean our parts. There's screws in them. You just got to know where the switch is. You just gotta know where it's located. Just gotta feel around. Yes.
In the garage.
In the garage. Everything's clean in here though. Very clean. All right. Gang, over and out.